Hey, just a quick one for you today. I'm working on mixing a demo for a band named Stoutheart. It's a very heavy, technical, energetic song. So the drums were tracked here, the bass was sent to me, and the guitars were sent to me as stereo stems, and they were actually done using an amp simulator. Now, I'll be the first to admit, while they're not my go-to for guitar recording, amp simulators are capable of some pretty impressive things these days, especially with high-gain guitar tones like this. My one gripe is that because they can be so clear and high fidelity, it can be tricky to get an amp simulator to mesh well in a mix with other live instruments like drums or other mic'd instruments. So I could finesse the drums that much more to try to get them to sound clearer and almost more artificial to match the guitars, but in a genre that can get really sterile really quickly, I hesitate to take out that last bit of humanity and uniqueness we have in the drum tone. So what I'm doing is taking the guitar stems and routing them out to a pair of CTX modules to get some real transformers in the signal path. The stepped pots on the color palette make stereo stuff like this really easy, matching the left and right. So the effect is very subtle, but it is real, and it can be more apparent when stacking over more tracks than we have here, but this is what we're working with for now. So I'm just going to try a bunch of different settings, and I would say to take a listen to, for a slight softening of the high end and a little bit of added thickness and saturation in the low mids. So pretty cool. If you have ideas for videos you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for listening.